This is one of my favorite ways to enjoy kofta, with the creamiest tahini sauce. Start by preparing your kofta. This was already pre-seasoned, but you could go ahead and check out my kofta recipe on my website. Shape it just like so and add it into a baking pan, lining them right next to each other. Peel 2 potatoes and cut them about a 1/4 inch thick. Cut the potato in half so it lines nicely in the baking pan in between the koftas, just like this. I season the potatoes with salt and pepper, add jalapenos in between, cover with aluminum foil, and place in my hot oven. To make the tahini sauce, you're going to add water, tahini, lemon juice, salt, pepper, garlic powder, cumin, cornstarch, and blend it all up. Add to a pot and stir on low heat. You may need to add a little bit more water to get the right consistency. Drain the excess liquid from the kofta, add the tahini and spread it throughout. Bake again, and look how creamy this is. It was absolutely amazing, especially with warm pita.